Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Frontline governorship aspirant on the platform of the People's Democratic Party in Akwa Ibom State, Right Honorable Onofiok says he represents a generational change in the political history of the oil-rich state. The former Speaker of the Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly and member representing Ibom Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives made the assertion at the formal declaration of his intention to contest the 2023 governorship election in Akwa Ibom State.
Member representing Ibom Federal Constituency of Akwa Ibom State in the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Onofiok recently hosted one of the biggest rallies in the land of promise. It was the formal declaration of his intention to contest the 2023 governorship election in Akwa Ibom State under the platform of the People's Democratic Party, PDP. Addressing his teeming supporters at the open field of Ibom Hall in Uyo, Right Honorable Luke declared that he was an embodiment of the collective aspiration of Akwa Ibomites and promised to offer them a new deal in governance as their next governor.
I represent the young, the old, the analog, the digital generation, the rich, the poor, the haves, and the have-nots. This gives me a unique perspective on issues that cut across the various strata of our society. I invite and urge you, therefore, to make the Amazing Grace Project your preferred choice for the governorship of our state come 2023. I, Onofiok, present myself for this task. God bless Akwa Ibom.
In the 2023 governorship race, Right Honorable Luke is the youngest and one of the most experienced contenders. He is a law graduate of the University of Uyo, where he served as president of the Students' Union government. Upon graduation from the Nigerian Law School in 2010, the Ibom-born politician was nominated to the Nigerian Youth Parliament, where he was later elected as its pioneer speaker. In 2011, he was elected into the Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly to represent Ibom State constituency and was elevated to the exalted position of Speaker in 2015 on account of his vibrant leadership. In 2019, Right Honorable Luke was elected into the House of Representatives to represent Ibom Federal Constituency of Akwa Ibom State. Those rooting for the youthful politician are convinced that he is fully armed with the requisite experience to bring about a new governance paradigm in Akwa Ibom State.
From May 29, 2023, governance will change form. It will not be as the usual. Even approach to development will change. It will be consultative development. It's going to be a bottom-up approach to development.
Very good man that we have known before. We call him Uboreno and all of us are ready to vote for him.
We know him, we have worked with him, we have experienced him doing so many occasions, we have experienced him in governance. He is one person we have to give a mandate. Across all parties, we have to stand with him, we have to show him a love, we have to show him everything it takes for him to achieve that goal.
My social contract with you as Akwa Ibom people to show my readiness to be your governor. In building critical infrastructure like shelter, energy, education, information and communication infrastructure, sustainable urban infrastructure, as well as healthcare, we will ensure that this is hinged on building the people.
Right Honorable Luke is a grassroots politician with vast political connections across the length and breadth of the state. Most Akwa Ibomites are optimistic that with the massive support he enjoys from youths in the oil-rich state, Right Honorable Onofiok Luke has every prospect of success in the Akwa Ibom 2023 governorship race.
Inside the Niger Delta,